Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Let's continue where we left. Previous lesson we finished our extension of service layer. Save it. Yeah. And we're going to continue with our services. Add abstract and concrete. I'm not gonna use any generic service because it's a hell of a headache. The thing is, let me explain why it's a headache. Let me explain you. In our controller, we never want to see any irrelevant coding, any business, any logic coding in there. Alright? The controller always must be clean and readable codes. Alright guys. So if we use generic service generic services, okay, it is going to return just what entity, okay? So if you're using if you're using a home page, it's going to be a home page. But if you remember, while I'm creating our AutoMapper and vModels, we're going to demonstrate our properties, which is on the needed one. We don't waste our resources for unnecessary demonstration. So there is a dilemma. What's gonna happen? Let me show you. If we use a generic service, okay, let's type here service layer. Our controllers have to take over mapping operation, okay? Auto mapper and CRUD ops, okay. But there is a way to make use AutoMapper in generic services. This is return just entity, guys. But there is another option. We can make a generic service which is return T and vModel. Okay, but this problem is when we do our dependency injection to our controller, we have to select just one vModel. So if you remember, we have three vModels here. Oops, sorry, wrong project. We have three vModels here. Add, list, and update. So what's gonna happen? I'm able to just select one vModel. So all listing, save, and update method is going to work according to what I select to this vModel. So we have to, if we do like that, so we're going to we should overload, whatever it is, override or overload, I don't care. We have to override our methods. So what's that mean? Override means, so you write a generic save method or generic update method or generic listing method, okay? So you should override it for other vModels. So once you select a generic service and call generic service with a dependency injection in your controller, for example, generic service about, comma, about list. Alright? You bring your generic service, which is for about and about list. But when you use save, for example, add async method, alright, you need to override it to use about add. So you have to use about add vModel to add async. To create these overriding methods, you have to rewrite your methods again and again and then again. So why I'm doing these generic services then? If I'm going to recreate my methods again and again. So it is both confusing and typing too much coding. So I don't like it. Most people doing this technique, but I don't like it. So I'm going to use my own version. Oh, okay. This is why I'm using these repositories and unit of work like that. This is why I'm using this methods here. I'm gonna call my all entities via unit of work, and I'm not gonna use the generic services. Alright guys, let's continue to create structure. Once we create our codes, you will understand better. Okay, okay. Repository. No, not that one. Sorry. Service layer. Services. Concrete. Add. Class. Start with the about. Service. Yeah, about service. And I about service. Yeah. Let's copy the service. Add. Class. Let's see the order. Category. Service. Add. Contact service. Add. Homepage service. Add. Portfolio service. Add. Service. What a interesting last name. Social media service. Team and testimonial service. Add class team and add class testimonial service. Alright, let's quit. Let's close that one. I don't need this one anymore. I have names here. Let's quit interfaces. I about service. Add I category service. I contact service. Oops, yeah. I homepage service. Add class I portfolio service and I service. Next one is I social media service. Yes, guy, I know this creating class section really frustrating, but there is nothing to do. I team service. Oops. This is a must be capital. Oops. It doesn't work here. Yeah, it's alright. Always take care the changes what you're doing. team testimonials. Yeah, the last one. I testimonial service. All right, let's have a look how many minutes. It's done, so we still have time. Control RG and public. Let's finish the structure first, and we will start write coding next lesson. Control RG public, Control RG public, Control RG public. Very well, yeah. Let's make an inheritance I about service. Control RG public I category service. Control RG public I contact. Oops, sorry. Contact service. Service. Yeah, let's amend this name. Service. Service. Yeah. All of them is service. Oh my god. Let's fix them all. Okay, let's fix them all. Sometimes copy and paste must be fatal, guys, so just careful what you copying and pasting. Service, yep. Very good. Service and another service. Yep. Category service. Contact service. Home page service. Let's fix all of them, by the way. Category, contact, home page, public, RG, I home page service, portfolio, RG, public, portfolio service, and this one as well. Service, public, I service. Where is I service? I service here. Social media. I social media. So, oops. Let's have a look. This is class, must be an interface. Okay. Let's fix the name. All good. Let's go to team. Public. I team service. Yep, here. Very good. Fix the name. Testimonial service. Public. I testimonial service. And fixing that. Very good, perfect. Let's have a look how many minutes. It's 15. Alright, it's enough. Let's save all, close all tabs and minimize and save again. Alright guys, next lesson we're going to start typing our methods in every service layer, and we will continue with the controllers, I guess. After all, yeah, we're going to try our create our pages and methods after all, I guess. Yeah, okay, take care of yourself guys, see you on next lesson, bye bye.